How to lock Google Drive folder with a password. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add a password to your Google Drive. So let's get into it. Now this isn't a perfect setup because Google does not offer anything like that. They don't have I don't know why, but they should provide you with the option to go ahead and add a password onto one of the folders, but they already give you the shared option where you can choose whether or not you want to share it with someone, you want to have restricted access. So I guess that kind of works, but still, let's say for the purpose of a survey, right? Let's say you're doing a survey and you want to share this link to those people with specific knowledge of the password, then sure, we can go with that one. And for that, we are going to be using Google Forms. So first, I'm going to create a new folder. All right, I'll just say password, or actually just secure, whatever we want, right? And once the folder is created, there we go. Then I'm also going to come over here onto Google Forms, and I'm going to create a new blank Google form. And for this one, I'll also say, and here, I'm going to name it the same thing, whatever. And then here, the question, I'm going to change it to the short answer, and I'm going to say, what is the password? What is the password? And then over here down below, we're going to click on the three dots. We're going to click on response validation. Boom. And here we're going to go with text and numbers or whatever. It totally depends on you. Let's go with a number. All right, so let's say the password is 123654. And here, if they've entered in the wrong password, it'll say no, try again. All right, boom, there we go. So next we want to go ahead and set it up. So next we're going to click on settings, and here we're going to go with responses. Here we have allow response setting. So next we're going to go back over here and go underneath presentations. Here we go. So underneath presentations, we're going to see confirmation message. All right, we're going to click on edit, and here, once they've entered in the correct password, we'll just say, here is the link, right? And here we're going to come back over here, click on share, and we're going to go with share and share with everyone and anyone with the link, and copy the link, click on done, and then just paste the link over here and click on save. Boom. So now, well, let's go ahead and take a little preview over here. So let me go ahead and add the password, and it says right here, no, try again. So 123654, that was the correct password. Now if I click on enter, that was the right password. Let me go ahead and check again. 123654. Yeah, that's the password. Publish it as well. All right, so I forgot I have to also set it to equal to as well. So now if we go with 123654, boom, we now have the option. So forms cannot be submitted in the preview. Let me go ahead and open this up in another tab. Go ahead and click on copy the link, open this up in a incognito mode, and here it'll work. So 123654, click on submit. Boom, there we go. So now it works. We now have access to the Google Drive that we have, and it'll redirect them. So there you go. That's how you do it. So again, it's not perfect, it's not valid, but still it'll work. And you can even track who has the access to it. You can even link it to a sheet, so you can go ahead and keep a record of who has access to the link and added the password. So there you go. That's how you can lock folders in Google Drive. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.